Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Alright, so let's use Spocket to automate AliExpress dropshipping for 100% free. So I'm just reading from the thing right there. But here, if you want to use Spocket to automate AliExpress dropshipping, click on AliExpress over here on the left-hand side at the top. And you can see here that they're saying download the Ali Scraper free. So Ali Scraper Ali Scraper for AliExpress is basically a Chrome extension. So just no problem with it. Just add the extension to the computer, to the Chrome extension. And basically, once you've added that, you can see right here that the extension was successfully added on the store. And we were taken directly to the AliExpress website. So let's just check, for instance, right now where the extension is. And you can see that the extension was added, and you can see it from right here. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in. So log in with the same account that you have with Shopify. So I'm going to log in here with my account. There you go. So I'm right now logged into Ali Scraper through my Shopify account, which I used to create the store on Shopify. And this is a search that I was conducting to search for some specific products over here. And you can see here that now it shows show shipping info. I'm going to click it, and it shows you ship from which country. Now, let's assume that you're trying to dropship from the United States to a specific country. You can choose the United States, or you can choose a country of your choice. I'm going to keep it the United States, and here you can see the shipping methods, assuming that you are looking for a specific shipping method. Let's say that you want the items to get there fast. You can either use DHL, which in my opinion is the best, or UPS. The other ones, according to my experience as an international purchaser in industrial environments, I'm not so sure whether they're so fast apart from ePacket. So I would say DHL, UPS, and ePacket, these are the fastest. FedEx is fast, but man, some problems happened to me with FedEx when I was working as a purchaser. I don't really like them that much. I don't think they have a better customer service than DHL. So I'm going to go with DHL. And here, you can click Update Settings right now, so the settings will be updated. And if I update the settings, you can see right here the cost for DHL, right? So this product is $23.69. That's the cost of the product. And to ship the products to a country, it will take you $57 because this product might be about 2 kilograms. Because normally DHL for every single, for 0.5 kilograms, normally if you look right now, you'd find that you'd need to pay about $30, right? So that's the price. But as the weight goes up, they don't increase. So it's not like when you purchase 0.5 kilograms and ship it by DHL, it's $30. But if you purchase 1 kilogram, it's not going to be $60. It's not like that. That's not how it works. They have a list. And from 0 to 40 kilograms, they have prices. So from 0.5, they have a price. For 1 kilogram, they have a price. For 1.5 kilogram, they have the price. And as you go, the more you go, the higher the price goes, but it doesn't go exponentially. That's what I'm trying to explain over here. Because I had once, when I was working as a purchaser, I had created a contract with DHL, and they gave me this list. It was a big list with all the prices from 0 to 100 kilograms. And basically, we weren't at the time at the company, we weren't using DHL for more than 100 kilograms, because when you go up from 100 kilograms to more, you're going to start paying some extravagant costs out there. So extravagant is a word for expensive. So here, shipping methods, right? You can change the shipping method to ePacket, and you're going to see consistent, right? So here it says no ePacket for these products. So let's see if some products have ePacket. Right, so no products. Well, how about if we change the country to United Kingdom, for example, right? So ship from the United Kingdom, and let's see if there are some e-packets for the United Kingdom. Also, there are no e-packets. Let's see the AliExpress standard shipping, how it costs. All right, so for AliExpress standard shipping, it's free shipping, pretty much like what it says over here, but it's going to take a hell of a long time to ship with the AliExpress standard shipping, considering how much time they do. And here you can show the shipping time if you want. So I'm going to show the shipping time, and right now they're going to show me how much time it takes to ship with the method that I choose, or that I chose, which is the AliExpress standard shipping. So I'm going to click on update settings. So normally it should show me, all right, so here shipping time is 35 days to 30, all right, so 35 days. That's the shipping time, which is huge. Let's do a quick comparison with DHL. Normally DHL is anywhere between 48 hours to 72 hours. Let's see if I still got the numbers correct. All right, so here it's 10 days, right? So pretty understandable considering that the source that this product might be coming from, sometimes it takes more for a product to get the preparation of the product, the handling of the product, but generally the shipping time is only between 48 to 78 hours or 72 hours, at least that's according to my experience. Here you can also add some, see some instructions. If you want to see more instructions, you can contact the support and all of that, but that's not really important over here. And if you want to import this to Spocket using AliScraper, you only need to click here on import to Spocket, and the product will be imported to Spocket. So you can go back to your Shopify store, and basically here, if I go to Spocket, you can see some products over here, and hopefully we can find that product was imported. So here 4 were imported. I'm going to just simply basically refresh the page and see if the 5th product was added. There is no trace of the 5th product. It is on the import list. Yes, it is. So right now we are on the import list, and you can see that the product was successfully imported, pretty much similar to the other ones. You can see over here you have the description, the variants, the images, and you can change all of that according to what we spoke about. You can also see the source of the product, which is pretty amazing. And basically, if you want more to do over here on the platform, right? So you can also open the import list directly from here. So I'm going to do something over here. I'm going to click on the product, and I'm going to show you another functionality that you can have by doing this. So by using the AliExpress or AliScraper, you can see over here that by clicking on the product, you have this option over here as well as this other option. So the first option is recommended products. The second option is import to Spocket. So here it's pretty much similar to the other one, except for the fact that the other one displays at the before the product page, it displays in the listing page. And here you can see recommended products. So if I click here on recommended products, it's going to show me products that are similar to this product over here. This works extremely well, assuming that you want to import all the products that are similar to that specific product. You can do this, and you can pretty much import all of these. So let's suppose that you want to import these. I'm going to continue clicking on these. Import, import, import. It takes a little bit of time, and here it says product imported successfully. I'm going to click open import from here directly because I don't want to have to go to the Spocket app and just do it again. And you can see that these products were added. Not all of them, but you're just going to have to make sure that they're added. So let's say that I want this product to be added on a specific category. For instance, let's say I want to add it on with the category of hats. Like I said, you can create a category if you want. I showed you how to add a collection, also how to make sure that the collection displays over here at the top menu of your Shopify website. But here, I'm going to click push to store in the hats category. I'm going to say, just like, connect AliExpress account. Now, of course, we've have not yet connected the AliExpress account. You can click push to store and click connect AliExpress from here directly, so that you connect your AliExpress account with your store. And here you can just click authorize, and basically it's a simple operation, not that complicated. And right now your Spocket account is connected successfully with your AliExpress account. So right now you can import and add products deliberately, easily. So I'll click push to store, and they'll not display the same message that they displayed. And so right now the product was normally should be added with the category of hats. So I'm going to wait for a second. Then I'm going to go here to my product listing and refresh the hats category and see if the product is there. All right, so you can go back to store and refresh. I have to tell you that sometimes it might take more than a minute before the product displays properly on the store. So in order for you not to wait for a long time, you can go back over here on Spocket and click on products, and you can click view on store directly, and it will show you the product as it is on the store, right? So, and let's just do one last try. So display there. Maybe I put it mistakenly on t-shirts. Well, I didn't, but it doesn't display no products. No problem, right? Because like I said, it may take some time before it displays, but you can see right here that the product displays exactly as we want it on the website. So this is part 2 of how to use the Spocket AliExpress functionality, how to connect your Spocket app with AliExpress to do dropshipping from AliExpress to any country of your choice. Right, so next we're going to use the image search, and I'm going to show you how you can use images only to search for products and add them to your listing.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.